Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to HighTech. Exciting news from the world of open source operating systems. FreeBSD 14.1 has just been released. In today's video, we're going to explore what's new in this latest release, how to upgrade, and why you should consider FreeBSD for your next project. Let's dive in. Section 1, Introduction to FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a powerful open source operating system that's known for its performance, advanced networking, and security features. It's widely used in everything from servers and desktops to embedded systems. The 14.1 release brings a host of new features and improvements. Section 2, What's new in FreeBSD 14.1? So what's new in FreeBSD 14.1? Let's take a look at some of the key highlights. First up, enhanced hardware support. FreeBSD 14.1 includes updated drivers for the latest hardware, ensuring better compatibility and performance. Next, there's improved ZFS support, making it even more robust for managing your storage. The networking stack has also seen significant improvements with enhanced performance and stability. Additionally, security enhancements have been made across the board, making FreeBSD 14.1 one of the most secure operating systems available. Section 3, Upgrading to FreeBSD 14.1. If you're already running FreeBSD, upgrading to 14.1 is straightforward. Let me show you how to do it. First, make sure your current system is up to date by running these commands. Type in terminal. FreeBSD update fetch. FreeBSD update install. Next, to upgrade to FreeBSD 14.1, you will need to fetch the latest updates and install them. Type in terminal. FreeBSD update upgrade R14.1-release. FreeBSD install. After the first install phase, reboot your system. Once your system reboots, complete the upgrade with these commands. Type in terminal. FreeBSD update install. pkg static install fpkg. pkg update. Dkey. pkg upgrade. Section 4, fresh installation of FreeBSD 14.1. For those of you looking to do a fresh installation, FreeBSD 14.1 can be downloaded from the official FreeBSD website. Here's a quick overview of the installation process. FreeBSD 14.1 ISO images. https://download.freebsd.org/ftp/iso-images/14.1. Virtual machine images QCOW2, VHD, VMDK, and RAW formats for MD64, i386, ART64, and RISC-V architectures are available at https://download.freebsd.org/ftp/releases/vm-images/14.1-release. Additionally, you can purchase FreeBSD 14.1 DVDs from vendors like FreeBSD Mall Inc. https://www.freebsdmall.com. First, download the FreeBSD 14.1 ISO file from the FreeBSD download page. Once downloaded, create a bootable USB drive or CD and boot from it. Section 5, Why choose FreeBSD? So, why should you consider FreeBSD 14.1 for your next project? Here are a few reasons. FreeBSD is renowned for its performance and stability, making it an excellent choice for servers and critical applications. Its advanced networking capabilities and robust security features are perfect for both enterprise and personal use. Plus, the extensive documentation and supportive community make it easier to get started and troubleshoot any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy computing. See you next time on HighTech.